Hi my dear friends, welcome to Sri Pragna tutorials. In this video we are going to see trigonometry exercise number 11.1, problem number 6 to 8. So in the previous video we saw the solution for problem number 1 to 5. So in this video we are going to see the solutions for problem number 6 to 8. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. So he was saying that ABC, XYZ are the two triangles in which A and X are acute angles. So cos A is equal to cos X. He is asking to show that angle A is equal to angle X. Angle A is equal to angle X. So first term, given triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are the two triangles. Okay, in that A and X are acute angles. So, and also given that cos A is equal to cos X. What is asking to prove? We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle X. Angle A is equal to angle X. Now, first you draw the rough diagram of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. So A and X are acute angles. What is the meaning of acute angle? The angle which is in between 0 and 90 is called a acute angle. So now if we are seeing from angle A, this become our opposite side. This become our adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. So now if you see from X angle, this become our opposite side. This become our adjacent side. This become our hypotenuse. So now he was given that cos A is equal to cos X. Solution: take cos A is equal to cos X. What is the meaning of cos theta? So to remember the 6 trigonometric ratios, I told you one tip, that is remember first OAO, HHA. So with the help of this table, we can able to write the 6 trigonometric ratio values. So we should remember OAO, HHA. What is the meaning of O by H? This is nothing but sin theta. This is nothing but cos theta. This is nothing but tan. This is nothing but cot. This is nothing but secant. This is nothing but cosecant. So now, so we should write cos. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So now adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, what is the cos A value? Cos A is nothing but AB by AC. And in triangle XYZ, what is the adjacent side? XY by XZ. So this is the equation number 1. Let it be some equation number 1. Now, let AB by AC, XY by XZ is equal to some constant. So first equate AB by AC is equal to K. Second time, XY by XZ, that is equal to K. So now AB is equal to K times AC. Similarly, XY is equal to K times XZ. So this value K times XZ, this value is nothing but K times AC. So up to here clear? So next step. So after this, if we know the two sides of a right angle triangle, the third side we have to calculate. So that is, apply that Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So in this, hypotenuse is nothing but AC square. That is equal to opposite is nothing but BC, adjacent is nothing but AB. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So now AC square is equal to BC square plus, just now we calculated AB value, that is K times AC. Substitute there. AC square BC square plus K square into AC square. So now, if you bring this K square into AC square to left side, it become minus. So from this we can write BC square is equal to AC square minus K square times AC square. So you can take AC square common. 1 minus K square will be inside the bracket. So this is the value of BC square. This is the value of BC square. Similarly, in triangle XYZ, apply the same formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So that is, so hypotenuse is nothing but XZ. XZ square is equal to, opposite is nothing but YZ. After that, adjacent is nothing but XY. Now, this is XZ square is equal to YZ square plus XY value is nothing but K times XZ. Substitute there. So XZ square is equal to YZ square K square into xz square. Similarly, you bring it to left side, xz square minus k square into xz square is equal to yz square. So finally we are getting yz square is equal to xz square minus k square xz square. Just write in reverse. So now yz square is equal to, take xz square common. What we left? 1 minus k square is inside the bracket. Here we write one more step extra here. BC square is equal to AC square into 1 minus k square we are getting now. So BC is equal to, if the square is going to right side, it become root. So BC is equal to, square and root gets cancelled, AC times under root of 1 minus k square we are getting. So here yz square is equal to, we are getting xz square. So this square is going right side, become, so yz is equal to, square root gets cancelled for xz, it will come out. So now dividing these two, that is after dividing BC by YZ, these two are going to cancel. So we left with BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. AC by XZ. We know that cos A is equal to cos X. What is the value of cos A? First, draw the rough sketch. Okay. Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. Now XY by XZ. Just cross multiply. AB into XZ is equal to AC into XY. So now we bring this XY to this side, take this XZ to right side. AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ. So just you see here, these two. So if you observe these two, AC by XZ is equal to AB by XY. AC by XZ is equal to BC by YZ. From these two we can conclude that AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. We are getting AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. If the ratio of corresponding are in proportion, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. So if two triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion. That's why angle A is equal to angle X. Hence proved. So this is the way we have to solve this question. Next, question number 7. That is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. And what is asking to find? Find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So first, draw a rough sketch. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Let the theta at A. So according to that, we know that cot is nothing but, first we should write our shortcut OAO HHA. So this is nothing but sine, this is nothing but cos, this is nothing but tan, this is nothing but cot, this is nothing but secant, this is nothing but cosecant. So cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So he given adjacent value, that is 7, opposite value 8. So from this we can write adjacent side equal to 7, opposite side is equal to 8. Why? Because cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So now apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So that is hypotenuse is nothing but AC square, opposite is nothing but 8, adjacent is nothing but 7. AC square is equal to 8 square is nothing but 64, 7 square is nothing but 49. If you do the addition, 113 we are getting. So AC is nothing but under root of 113. This square is going to right side, it will become root. So we got the value of AC, that is 113. Now first value we have to calculate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So now first we will calculate this 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but, sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. This is the opposite, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. So now 8 by root 113 into 1 minus 8 by root 113 divided by 1 plus adjacent is nothing but 7, opposite hypotenuse is nothing but root 113, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Similarly, same we are getting. After that, take the LCM in the denominator, or else we can do cross multiplication method. 1 into root 113 become root 113 plus 8 by root 113. Again same, root 113 minus 8 by root 113. So now root 113 plus 7 under root of 113 root 113 minus 7 by root 113. Now you see, it is looking like a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. That is root 113 whole square minus 8 square. A square minus b square formula we have to use. A plus b into a minus b. That is nothing but a square minus b square. Root 113 into root 113. That is nothing but only 113. In the denominator, again we will apply the same formula. A plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. The denominator root 113 into root 113, it is 113. So next step, so square and root gets cancelled. We will get 113 minus 64 by 113. Square and root gets cancelled. 113 minus 49 by 113. So if you subtract 113 minus 64, you will get 49. So 113 minus 64 will give you 49. 49 by 113. In the denominator, 113 minus 64. 113 minus 49 will give you 64 by 113. So now you see, fraction by fraction, whenever the denominator fraction is going to numerator, it becomes reverse. So 113, 113 cancel. We left with 49 by 64 is the answer for the given question. So therefore the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to 49 by 64. Next question. Question number 2. This is question number 2. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 8. Hypotenuse is nothing but under root of 113. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 7 by root 113. So take the LCM for the numerator. That is root 113 plus 8 by root 113 divided by 7 by root 113. So fraction by fraction now. Take this numerator fraction, denominator fraction to numerator. So that will give you root 113 by 7. Root 113 get cancelled. Finally we left with root 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is the answer for the given question. That is 1 plus sin theta. Therefore 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 113 plus 8 by 7. Next question. That is given tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3. Then find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second question, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So tan A is equal to root 3 and is asking to find the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. First, draw a rough sketch. Tan A is nothing but, so first we will write the tip OAO HHA. So this is sine, this is cos, this is tan, this is cot, this is secant, this is cosecant. So tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So root 3 by 1 you write. Then you can take adjacent value as a 1, opposite value as a root 3. First calculate AC value. By using which formula? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse is nothing but AC square, that is equal to opposite is nothing but root 3 whole square, adjacent is nothing but 1 square. So AC square is equal to square and root gets cancelled, 3 will be there, 1 square is nothing but 1 again. AC square is equal to 3 plus 1, it is 4. So AC square is equal to 4 is nothing but 2 square, square and root gets cancelled, AC value 2. Therefore the value of hypotenuse is nothing but 2. So now, so sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A is nothing but root 3 by 2. Why? Because if you see from A side, it is our opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. Cos C. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. From C side, this is our adjacent. So root 3 by hypotenuse will be 2. Cos A. If you see from A side, this is our adjacent, 1. Sin C. If you see from sin C side, this is our opposite side. So now, root 3 into root 3 become 3, 2 into 2 become 4. 1, 2 into 2 become 4. 1 into 1 again 1, 2 into 2 become 4. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4, 4 by 4 it is 1. So this is the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second one, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. From A side, this is our adjacent. If you see from A side, adjacent will be 1, hypotenuse will be 2. From C side, adjacent will be root 3, hypotenuse will be 2. Sin A, opposite by hypotenuse. If you see from A side, this is our opposite, root 3 by 2. And sin C, if you see from this side, 1 is our opposite. So 1 into root 3 become root 3, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 into root 3 become root 3, 2 2s are 4. Both gets cancelled. The answer will be 0. So here the difference is sin A means from A side we have to see the opposite side. Sin C means from C side we have to see the opposite side.